Infinix
Huh?
GT30 Pro, that one latest model. So I will unboxing this phone. I show you the spec. See guys. Okay, you start like you will unbox.
Huh?
You will unbox, no problem. Wow. What is this? This is fan, right?
Fan.
Very nice gaming kit. Oh my goodness.
This one what charger.
Edward, you come this side. Come here, I will follow you. You open this one. Yeah. Now. Oh, this color you say, right? Which game you play?
Game. All the games I play.
Oh, PUBG also you play?
PUBG got play lah.
I play only PUBG. This one the kit. This is, I think.
This one display set or what, brother? I see all open already. Open it.
No, they coming like that. They need to find. This one warranty will be start today. You know they why to open? Something damage or no?
Oh, they check lah.
Yeah. I give you bill today. It means warranty will be start today. This warranty will be start today. Because if I bring here, seal something damage, I'm responsible. You are not responsible. That's why you understand.
Must check from there.
Must check, yeah. If something wrong, they will change on the spot. Yeah, you can active yourself, no problem. See, the kit didn't open because no need.
See.
This is the important thing.
Important thing.
See, kit already sealed.
Yeah.
Yeah. The cover you see already, right?
But this one what? Why go like
Yes, I put my hand.
No. Got one hole here. The screen protector.
No, the screen protector later I change. This screen.
This one their standard one, right?
Give me, I will activate.
Put the SIM card.
No need for SIM activation. No need for SIM card. You can activate without SIM card. See, I will put my Wi-Fi. You can transfer yourself data. I will bring the screen protector.
Temple glass, they got right.
Yeah, I got.
Give the full one, lah, brother, if you have.
Okay, I will check your cover. Full one will be cover or no? Camera 108 megapixel plus 8 megapixel, and the battery is 5500 mAh.
Full of flow. Wait, the flow. The flow with the camera.
Very nice phone.
Nice,
Yeah, very nice.
I think when they release this month.
Yeah.
This month, right?
Now I think this company